Melissa Cahill and
Steve Schruel.
our poem is Cicadas. Afternoon, mid-August, two cicadas singing,
Air kiln hot, lead heavy,
five cicadas humming, thunder heads northwestward, 12 cicadas buzzing,
up and down the street,
the mighty choirs assembling, shrill
cicadas,
droning,
droning in the elms,
3 years spent underground,
among the roots,
in darkness, now they're breaking ground,
and climbing up the tree trunks,
splitting skins,
and singing, jubilant, cicadas,
rejoicing,
pouring out their fervent praise for heat and light,
their hymn, sung to the sun,
cicadas, whining, cicadas,
wiring,
cicadas, pulsing, chanting from the treetops,
sending forth
sending
their
forth their
boisterous,
joyful noise.